Thank you for visiting us. Enjoy watching.
You're a shoo-in for Indonesian bargains. The focus of this lesson is the numbers above 100.
Rp45.000.
45,000 rupiah. 45,500 rupiah. 45,000 rupiah. In this lesson we will expand our numeral bases, starting from the hundreds, with the root ratus, and concluding with the thousands range, with the root ribu. The latter is especially necessary since most prices in Indonesia nowadays are in the thousands range. 100.
100.
200.
200.
300.
300.
400.
400.
500.
500.
600.
600.
700.
700.
800.
800.
900.
900.
1,000.
1000.
Asking for prices in Indonesian. Since most people in Indonesia still go to the open-air market for their shopping needs, rather than specialized shops, enhancing your haggling and bargaining skills is a necessary part of life. To ask for prices.
Berapa harga ini itu?
How much is this/that? Depending on the initial price, the speaker should suggest a lower price as an initial offer. The vendor may then say that the price is already
Murah.
cheap, and then make a counteroffer. The speaker may then readjust his/her offer, while at the same time saying that the price is still too
Mahal.
expensive.
Ribu.
1,000.
Mahal.
Expensive.
Murah.
Cheap. Inexpensive.
Nah,
All right.
harga.
Price.
Rupiah.
Rupiah.
Ini 15.000 rupiah.
It's 15,000 rupiah.
15.000 rupiah.
15,000 rupiah.
Mangga ini terlalu mahal.
This mango is too expensive.
Mobil itu mahal sekali.
That car is expensive.
Harga rumah itu murah.
The price of that house is cheap.
Nah, mari ke Yogyakarta.
Alright, let's go to Yogyakarta.
Menjelang hari libur harga tiket pesawat melonjak tinggi.
Towards the holiday airline tickets prices are hiked up.
Berapa harga ini?
How much is this?
Ini 3.000 rupiah.
It's 3,000 rupiah.
Bu, berapa harga sepatu ini?
Ma'am, how much are these shoes?
45.000 rupiah.
45,000 rupiah.
Aduh, harga itu terlalu mahal.
Geez, that's too expensive.
Kalau 20.000 rupiah, bagaimana?
How about 25,000 rupiah?
Gak bisa, Mas.
I can't, brother.
Sudah murah ini.
This is already cheap.
35.000 bagaimana?
How about 35,000 rupiah?
30.000.
30,000.
Nah, 30.000.
Alright, 30,000.
Ini sepatunya.
Here are your shoes.
Thank you for watching this video. Please click like and subscribe to watch other videos. Thank you.